Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Chevy Silverado headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. You will also need your new headlight bulbs, whether they are halogen or LED. Always ensure your truck is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off for safety. Having everything ready before you begin makes the process much smoother and more efficient. This preparation step is crucial for a successful replacement. Now, let's access the headlight assembly. Begin by opening your truck's hood. You will see two 10mm bolts positioned at the top of the headlight assembly. These bolts firmly secure the unit in place. Using your ratchet and the 10mm socket, carefully remove both of these fasteners. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward from its housing. This step requires a steady hand to avoid damage. With the assembly removed, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its socket. Carefully remove the old bulb. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, twisting it clockwise to secure it, and finally, reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click. Now, let's put everything back together. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position in the truck's front. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts, tightening them securely but without over-tightening. Once the assembly is firm, close the hood completely, ensuring it latches properly. Finally, turn on your truck and test both the low beam and high beam functions to confirm your new bulb is working correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.